This morning we're gonna test out this tire deflator kit that Bunker sent us, and I'm pretty excited to check it out here. One of the things that was really interesting is the light that it comes with. It's actually a pretty cool multi-tool. So it's a magnet, so you can use it like a work light. It's got a bottle opener, glass breaker, safety whistle, but it has a bunch of different light modes: floodlight, spotlight, emergency light, another type of floodlight. So these will actually be really cool for working on the car. If you're ever working underneath of it, you can hook it on. These are the tire deflators here. I preset them for around just under 20 PSI. We're gonna take this and see how easy it is to lose some pressure in these tires. One of the cool things about tire deflators like this is that technically you can drive with them on. Totally working. So let's take a look here. So we got maintenance, tire pressure. All right, so it looks like it dropped it very accurately down to what it said, 20. That's pretty cool. So we're doing this again. I'm not gonna lie, this is a big hit at the camp right now. I'm like going around offering for anybody air down. These things dump the air pretty darn quick, and everybody's impressed that it has the actual pressure ratings on it. I'm impressed that it was actually accurate. I measured it, and I set it 20 and it went to 20. Right now I've got it set closer to 18 because I think that's where I prefer to have my tires. We're gonna take another stab here though. I got my beautiful camera woman who's woken up now, so.
Yeah, I'm not so beautiful this morning.
So basically you just start threading it on. Carefully, of course, you don't wanna cross thread your valves. And then you hear it. So yeah, that's what I was kind of afraid of. Oh, there we go. I just needed to touch the plunger a little bit. So it'll keep going till it stops. Drop it down a little bit lower pressure right there. What do you think about that, honey?
It's cool,
Is
I
that
guess.
pretty cool? Well, do you remember the old thing we used to have? I used to have to actually like let out, check, let out, check. Remember that?
Yeah. It's pretty cool. It's another one of our sponsors, Bunker Industries. Oh, and it stopped.
Yep. Yeah. So I'm gonna go around the all-wheel drive fest just offering for anybody who wants to test these. I think these are gonna be a product that's pretty popular actually. All right, so that test was a major success. I really like these things.